In Vedic astrology, moon horoscope, also known as Chandra Kundali, is considered very, very important. It is believed, it is told also that in South India, along with horoscope, Navamsh Kundali is made. We already know the importance of Navamsh Kundali. I have taught 3 level of webinars on Navamsh Kundali as well. And in North India, along with Rashi Kundali, Chandra Kundali is made. So basically, the first page of the horoscope should have all the Panchanga details, birth details of the native name and all. And on the second page should be the Rashi chart, the basic horoscope, along with Chandra Kundali or moon horoscope in North India and Navamsh Kundali or Navamsh horoscope in South India. Regarding Navamsh horoscope, it is understood that the calculation is a little bit difficult, and so Navamsh Kundali is to be made as it is told. Regarding Navamsh Kundali is to be made, I believe that you know about my concept of divisional charts, that Navamsh Kundali should not be made as a Kundali, right? Like it should be made as a chart. So planets, their degrees and their Navamsh position should be written. And if one have to make it pictorially as a horoscope, then it should be the ascendant of the Rashi chart only, but the planetary positions of the Navamsh, that's the correct way. I think I understand. But with respect to Moon Kundali, Moon horoscope or Chandra Kundali, it is made along with the Rashi chart. Despite the fact that, it's nothing special. You are just rotating the horoscope from the position of Moon. So, like North Indian astrologers also know it, that it is just rotating the horoscope from the position of Moon. So, what is the need of making it extra special? There is something into it. Right, that's the basic point. Though it can be very easily calculated, just looking at the normal Rashi chart, also you know the planetary positions from Moon. But there is something important in it, that it have to be made with Rashi chart right in the beginning, right? Like just in the first page of the functional horoscope, right? Because actually the first page is just the particulars, like in a notebook on the first page you write your name and all. There's the cover page, right? And as you move it, when you go on first actual page, it is made there, right? This is the importance of moon horoscope, right? Chandra Kundali. In fact, it is so very important that the Rashi occupied by moon is the Rashi, right? The Rashi in the ascendant is known as Lagna. The Rashi occupied by a planet is known as, okay, Mars Rashi, Mangal Rashi, Budh Rashi is known by the Rashi, but the Rashi is the Rashi of moon. In fact, many astrologers keep the name of the individual based on the Rashi of moon only, Nakshatra of moon only. Transits, etc., should be seen with respect to the Rashi of moon only. So it's very certain that moon have importance, a lot of importance, right? Moon horoscope, despite the fact that it's just a normal variation or just a normal rotation of horoscope only, is made separately. The Rashi of moon is the Rashi. All this importance is there, and we learn it right from beginning of our astrological journey. But despite this, in my experience and interaction with astrologers and people, what I have seen, what I have noticed, what I have observed is that people do not know any special importance of moon horoscope. It is used as just a confirming factor. Generally, what is taught in astrology is that whatever you see from the birth horoscope, confirm it from moon horoscope also. Now you will have two factors, one birth horoscope, one moon horoscope. Say you are analyzing a particular house, fourth house. It's good from birth horoscope, bad from moon horoscope, good from moon horoscope, bad from birth horoscope. You land nowhere, right? Because it can be a time. So I always recommend that one should use odd number factors, right? So when you go by Parashara's opinion of Sudarshan Chakra, there is Lagna Kundali, Chandra Kundali, and Surya Kundali, right? Lagna horoscope, Sun horoscope, and Moon horoscope. That's all, right? This is the only uses that is done. Generally, it will be told that, if you are looking at Dasha, you are looking at the position of planet, house lordship of planet, you do it from the ascendant, also do it from moon and all. But I think this is undermining the importance of, or, making the importance of moon horoscope less. In the tradition, it is told that if you want to stun your client, if you want to make amazing predictions, if you want to, you know, leave the client in awe, you should use moon horoscope, because predictions made from moon horoscope do not fail at all. But when you see the astrological world nowadays, how it is functioning, there looks like there is no importance is given to moon horoscope, which is actually sad. And it should not be this way, but it is the way it is right now. Keeping this in mind, I thought that it will be essential to teach about moon horoscope. So then this February 2026, I have decided to do a 4-class webinar exclusively devoted to moon horoscope from 23rd of February to 26th of February. In the webinar, we will discuss about moon horoscope in detail. Combinations that can be seen only from moon horoscope, not the combinations, right, which you see from normal horoscope and reconfirm or confirm from moon horoscope, not that. Combinations which can only be seen from moon horoscope, combinations which can only be made from moon horoscope, and these combinations are very, very important. For example, let me tell you, no matter how many wealth combinations you see from normal horoscope, Rashi Kundali, only the wealth combinations from moon horoscope actually fructify. And if you talk of early part of life, first part of life, generally the wealth combinations made from Lagna horoscope, normal Rashi horoscope, is not at all applicable. So there are many such formulas, many such fundas related to moon horoscope, which is not known to people. And because it is not known to people, they cannot analyze the horoscope properly. There are many combinations, many predictions, many techniques which can be applied only from moon, which are exclusive to moon. All such techniques, all such methods, I am going to teach in this 4-day webinar course, you can call it, right? So the course will have the result of, like, the full result of moon horoscope, right? So there are more than 80 results of moon horoscope, right? 80 results that can be seen from, made from, functions from moon horoscope only, right? 80 result of planet, different type of combinations, placement of planet, etc. from moon. Along with that, there will be more than 30 combinations of planet, yogas, what we call, which can be made from moon horoscope only, or should be seen from moon horoscope only. And along with that, there will be more than 20 exclusive techniques based on moon horoscope only. So let me explain what I am labeling as a technique, right? So, like, for example, you say, I'll tell you that if there is a planet in 5th from moon, the planet in 5th from moon decides how impactful the person is on society. If this planet, which is in 5th from moon, is a beneficial planet, is a good planet, is a powerful planet, only then person is influential in the society, otherwise not. Otherwise, one will not listen to their words, not listen to their advice. So if you say the quality of swaying people, right, or to take people under your control, it's the planet in 5th from moon that decides about it. Now, who is the planet, whether is a benefic, malefic, friendly to the moon sign lord, not friendly to the moon sign lord, where this 5th lord is situated in, based on that, multiple predictions can be made. This is what I am saying, what I am labeling as a technique, right? Technique. Apart from that, then there comes a combination. We know that Sun, Venus, Mercury are generally together. We know that. But what with respect to moon, if the Sun, Venus, and Mercury, if they are together, if they are not together, Sun is only with Venus, Sun is only with Mercury, Sun is with Venus, Mercury, both, or Sun is with none of them. They are in what place from moon? They are with moon, second to moon, 11th to moon, third to moon, fourth to moon, where they are and what results they produce. You know, we know, we should know, you should know That in Sunfa, Anafa, Durudara yogas, sun is not considered. It's not considered, right? That's there. But why it is not considered? What sun does to moon? Is it only that when the sun is in 212 to moon, moon is very close very less in digital strength. It is very close to moon. It is having very less pakshbal. That's why sun does not matter. It's not like that, right? In that scenario, Rahu Ketu are also not considered in Sunfa Anufa yogas as well. It's not that, it's more than that, right? So this is another very important thing, right? Like, say, take example, like you see, like Venus-Jupiter combination is happening. If it is happening in some person's horoscope, say Venus-Jupiter combination is there, or Jupiter is aspecting Venus one-sided. This combination is happening in which house from the ascendant we know. And to decode its result, we know. Like I think everyone will not know, but my students more or less know what to do with it. But what about moon? You say Venus, Jupiter is situated in 11th house from ascendant. There is a particular result for that, but that is 6th house from moon. So what it does then? Or say it is 4th house from moon, what it does then? Right? This nexus is important. This is what I am talking about as a combination, right? So all such combinations are significant, but many of them are actually life-changing for the individual. This we are going to discuss. And with respect to predictive result, I am going to talk about conditions of different planets with respect to moon. For example, Rahu, Ketu, we know they are considered as nodes of moon. So what is the placement of nodes of moon with respect to moon? If they are in 1/7 to moon, 2/12 to, right, like 2/8 to moon, 3/9 to moon, 4/10 to moon, 5/11 to moon, 6/12 to moon, what is going to happen? Many don't know with respect to ascendant also, right? Like what happens when they are in these houses from ascendant. Many don't know that result also. So leave about the result with respect to moon. But because in this course I am focusing on moon, this with respect to moon will be taught. So in total, there will be around 130 such techniques, including of all the 3 categories that I have just told to you, exclusively dealing with moon horoscope, Chandra Kundali, which will help the students, learners in the course predict better. The purpose is that each and every technique which is taught in the course, each and every word which is taught in the course should be useful to the student and should add value to students' practice, right? I do not teach useless predictions. I do not teach those things which is not going to be very, very helpful in the analysis of horoscope, right? I try to teach each and every technique which is useful, right? I don't teach generally non-useful things, right? So the basic purpose is how a student can use new information, unknown information, secret information, research-based information based on moon horoscope or Chandra Kundali to better and uplift their predictions. This is what is going to be taught in the course, which is a 4-day course from 23rd to 26th of February 2026 by the name of Secrets of Chandra Kundali or Secrets of the Moon Horoscope, depending on whether you want to name it in Hindi or English. You are invited to join if you are interested in the topic. Thank you.